Hello, my dear friends. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'm going to talk about my daily activities in English language. This is how I usually spend my day from morning to night. So let's begin. I wake up in the morning at 5:30, and the first thing I do is thank to Allah for giving me a new life for a new day. And then I brush my teeth and wash my face and freshen up. And after that, I make my bed and I say my morning prayer. I really love to do it. And after that, I take my breakfast. I love to eat a light breakfast such as eggs, bananas, or biscuits. Okay, and after taking my breakfast, I love to read a little or revise my lesson, and then I get ready to go my college to attend my classes. And my classes usually started at around 9:30 and end around 1 p.m. And during my class time, I stay focused on my study and I take notes. And after that, after my class, I return to my home and freshen up, and then I have lunch with my family. I really enjoy having lunch with my family. I believe that you also feel happy when you eat with your family. After lunch, I take some rest and sometimes I take a short nap because I think it's refresh my mind and I take a short nap to recharge my energy. And in the late afternoon, I love to drink a cup of tea with a newspaper. And I always try to read English books. And during this time, I always try to practice my English to improve my skills, especially my speaking skills, and to get the fluency. And in the evening, I freshen up and then I sit down to study again. And at around 9:30, I have lunch with my family. I believe that I believe that spending time with family during meals makes our bond stronger. And then, after finishing my dinner, I brush my teeth. Actually, I brush my teeth twice a day because I think it's very important for our health and it's hygiene. I thank Allah once again for a peaceful day. That's all about my daily activities, and I try to lead a happy, disciplined, and healthy life. I gives my time to study to take care of my health, and I try to spend a quality time with my family. Thank you everybody to stay with me till the end and listening to my presentation. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video. If you have any question, I would love to answer it. Okay, goodbye. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.